I'm Tony Fleming, and this is Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Okay, I know why you're here. For the same reason I'm here, because this is a great car, man. Let me just tell you, in the world of getting a cool old school muscle car, but not having it drive like an old school muscle car, is sometimes really nice. You still get this great rumble, but you get a suspension where it handles. You get tires that are 100% wider, 100% wider than the original tires that would have come on the car. You have, 100% more power than would have come on the car. I mean, so many things make for this car to be so different while everything looks so cool and the same. I love that. So, in the case of this here, we're talking about a Yenko built, styled, pro-touring package added to the car, and it's removable if you don't love it, and that's a great thing about it. If you just want a silver Chevelle, or maybe you just want the side stripe, or maybe you just love the hood stripes, or you want no stripes, they're decals, they come right off, which is super cool, right? And then you have the big wheels and tires, and you got the brakes that are inside there, and you have the digital dash, and you have the great interior, and you have the new chrome, and like on and on and on. And the next thing you know, you've spent $100,000 plus building a car like this. This is why you don't do that. This car is why you don't do that. And the reason why you don't do that is because you buy this car here. It's already done. You save yourself a ton of money and 2 years minimum to build you one if you can find somebody to start on it tomorrow. Anyway, let's get started. We're gonna look at some great stuff today. Paint, suspension, brakes, like all the good stuff, the big dollar parts. Add all that stuff up, man. Go home, get a calculator, boom, boom. You're sitting there at home probably anyway, whatever. Right there, add it up, and you'll say, you know what, that is a great buy. I gotta find a way to get it in my garage. So many times people say, Tone, that's a great looking car. I'm like, thanks so much. I know, right? This is great looking, but we don't always know why it's a great looking car. Well, let's take a quick peek and see that. When you see all new chrome, stainless, bezels, paint, decals, trim, dash, all this stuff is so bright and shiny, it just looks fabulous. However, what makes a car really, really past that is great paint, and I want to give you a quick paint lesson. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do that. We're going to look in the paint, not at the paint. And you say, Tone, what does that even mean? And I say, okay, just humor me, let's walk together. When I say look in the paint, I want you to come and look at this Reflex Silver metallic paint, beautifully done. Look at the lights and the ceiling that are in the paint. Look how crisp the letters are in there. Come on up here, check that out, and see how you can see all of that stuff. All right, so let's take a peek under here if you want to, and I mean that in the sense that maybe you just want a cool car to drive to work. You don't care it's under the hood or go to dinner or whatever. It's a great car. However, if you want to go to a car show, this looks beautiful. You got all these aluminum billet parts in here, beautiful dress up under the hood, right? Air conditioning, fuel injection, power disc brakes, power steering, right? Ceramic coated headers. All of this stuff adds up and up and up. Listen, we do these all the time, including the billet hood hinges. You could definitely take a shortcut here. Those are $600 or $700 just for the hood hinges, where you can buy a pair for $30, all right? Anyway, all of this here is why you might want to go to a car show, show off this. The last part is this is a 383 fuel-injected stroker making around 450 horsepower, right? And while it's just a few cubic inches shy of the original 396, it makes way more power. It winds up so much faster, and it is much more smooth and exciting to drive, rolling through the gears. When we go on the drive, you'll know all about that. All right, so sometimes people overlook detail and expense that's put into a car, especially back here. I'm not going to bore you with the all-new chrome and stainless and taillights and bezels and things like that. What I want you to see is like the package tray, custom made with custom-made speaker brackets, right? Look like they're in leather as well, all right? And then the trunk in here, come on, man. Look at this trunk. It's got matching billet hinges for here. The trunk is beautifully finished, right? You could go away for the weekend in this car. You could go to a car show and feel proud and open up here. This is really that level of car. I'm talking about the detail. And the detail is why this car drives as well as it does, because someone did all of these things to give you exactly what you're looking for. All right, I love this shot where you're walking up to your cool car and you go, man, this is a great car and it's mine. However, everyone else is going to see the beauty of the outside. We're going to spend time on the inside to see all the more things that you get. However, I want you to hear this first. You hear that? That's a door that somebody spent a lot of time making work properly. No rattles of the windows. The door closes like a professional door would close, not like an amateur door would close, all right? Whew, okay. So we don't make this video too long, let's talk about what we're getting. We're getting this beautiful Alcantara headliner. I want you to look at the detail of this stuff in this car because it's spending money on it, it's ready to go. And you have no idea, if you've never restored a car before, man, it takes forever and a gazillion dollars. That's why you always want to buy one where someone else spent the money and knows that they're going to take a little bit of a hit on it. Custom TMI interior, all new carpeting, mats, console, 5-speed, so you can ride on the highway to the beach if you want to. Air conditioning, so you could go to the beach if you wanted to, right? Digital sound system that looks like a cool old school sound, however, it's all digital guts inside. You can stream music and things like that. Then a full digital dash as well. It's showing 2,600 miles since the restoration on it. 160 mile an hour speedometer, full gauges like fuel, volts, temp, oil, 8,000 RPM tach. I could go on and on about the billet door handles, all new door panels, all the new dash. We also have ordered a billet steering wheel. It's nice. It's an aluminum billet steering wheel with a red wrap on it to match the interior of the car. You can either have this one or the other one, and that's it. But lastly, I want to say this is a great car for big people. Like this seat here is slid all the way back. I just wanted you to see how much room is there. I'm 6'1", and I have a ton of room in here. You can even move the seat farther back if you want, move it closer, whatever. That can be adjusted at any time. We like to hear the rumble, man. Let's bring it. And so what's it like, man, to drive a full suspension, good horsepower car with great seats, big brakes and tires? Well, this is what it's like. Just downshift. Who would ever throw a 68 Chevelle into a corner? Good on the brakes again, back on the gas. Come on, man. You gotta be smiling with you right now. I'm driving probably a little bit faster than I should. I'm sure Amber in the back's ready to throw up. I don't care. Because we're out having some fun in a hot rod. All right, so how about if you just want to drive? Let's say you just want to go for a drive. We don't want to just go for a drive, but what if we just want to cruise for a minute? Well, this is exactly what this is designed to do. It rides well. You hear any rattle? No, you should be listening for that. Super tight with the suspension's all modified. Big wheel and tire setup, makes for handling. And the engine power is fabulous, man. We got stuff behind it, you know, whatever it is, but anyway, I hope you're appreciating getting out this beautiful sunny day in a beautiful car, going for a beautiful ride, and helping me get out of work for a little while, and I really appreciate that, so thank you so much for that. Anyway, call us 301-816-1000. We'll tell you all about this cool Pro-Touring Chevelle, and if you don't mind, hit the like button down below. That gets our message out. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel. We got new stuff coming out all the time, and don't forget to share it with your friends. They might see something they like too, and I'll see you on the next one. that was a great test drive, was it not? I told you that 383 stroker with the 5-speed, man, and that fabulous interior, all the thumbs up we got, air conditioning blowing cold, and that great exhaust blowing in and out of there. I'm just telling you, man, if you've never restored a car, look at the pictures online, look at the pictures underneath, see the suspension, see the big wheels and tires and the brakes and all of the upgrades on this car, knowing that you could be driving it this weekend. How cool is that?